It's just come out for 9:30 now. See how much damage they've done. He's at altitude. He's not going into land, and he's not spraying. Oh, hang on, what's that? Yeah, he is the bastard. Look at that. Dirty sod. Well, we've been trying to tell you for long enough. Your weather is controlled, and everybody's distracted by these fucking ridiculous energy scam prices, and they're all bleating, expecting, demanding the government do something. Well, good luck with that. It's the government that caused it. They created it. Just think of Boris Johnson knocking down the UK. A scam. Don't believe me? Go and listen to the coronavirus press conference, 11th of May 2020. Skip forward to around 45 minutes in, it's an hour long, and listen to what Chris Whitty says. And then tell me that Boris Johnson could be in prison for fraud, misleading Parliament and the British public. That's kind of looking northwest across the northeast. They have successfully sprayed away the whole fucking day. See the shit up above? That's what they sprayed. And it creates all this fake cloud you're seeing. Artificial weather. That will be looking back out to the channel. So, inland, that's when it all starts. Need to wake up, people. Speak up.
Second one, certainly I have tried, and Patrick has tried right from the beginning, to balance two things. The seriousness of this virus as an epidemic, and it clearly is a very serious epidemic, but equally the fact that actually the great majority of people will not die from this. And I'll just repeat something I said right at the beginning, because I think it's worth reinforcing. Most people, a significant proportion of people will not get this virus at all, at any point in the epidemic, which is going to go on for a long period of time. Of those who do, some of them will get the virus without even knowing it. They will have the virus with no symptoms at all, asymptomatic carriage, and we know that happens. Of those who get symptoms, the great majority, probably 80%, will have a mild or moderate disease. Might be bad enough for them to have to go to bed for a few days, not bad enough for them to have to go to the doctor. An unfortunate minority will have to go as far as hospital, but the majority of those will just need oxygen and will then leave hospital. And then a minority of those will end up having to go to severe and critical care, and some of those, sadly, will die. But that's a minority. It's 1% or possibly even less than 1% overall. And even in the highest risk group, this is significantly less than 20%, i.e. the great majority of people, even the very highest groups, if they catch this virus, will not die. And I've really wanted to make that point really clearly.